In the culinary world, there has been a saying about the three great cuisines of the world: Chinese cuisine, French cuisine, and Turkish cuisine. While most people may associate Turkish cuisine primarily with kebabs and grilled meats, there are actually many unique and distinctive dishes in Turkish cuisine. Balık ekmek. Balık, fish, and ekmek, bread, literally mean fish bread in Turkish. When you pass by the Galata Bridge, you may notice many older men with buckets and fishing rods, filling the bridge with the smell of fish. Yes, they are mostly fishing for the fish used in this bread, which is called sardine in English. After frying or grilling the fish, it is placed directly into a large bread and served with some onions, lettuce, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It may seem like a very simple dish, but it truly represents the everyday life of the local people in Turkey. A fish bread sandwich costs around 6 to 8 Turkish liras and provides a delicious taste of crispy fried sardines, filling satisfaction, and saves time for sightseeing by not having to sit down for a meal. Lahmacun/pied. Lahmacun's name comes from Arabic, but I prefer to call it Turkish flatbread. It looks like a thin crust pizza. It is made by spreading a mixture of ground lamb or beef, tomato, and pepper onto a thin dough, seasoned with spices, and then baked in an oven. When it's done, it releases a fragrant aroma and looks very much like the large stuffed pies you find at local breakfast shops. Lahmacun is a traditional Turkish dish also known as Turkish flatbread or Turkish pizza. The dough for lahmacun is usually very thin and shaped like a pizza. The meat mixture, usually lamb or beef, is mixed with tomatoes, chopped peppers, and various spices and seasonings. It is then evenly spread on the thin dough. Next, it is baked in an oven until golden and crispy. The baked lahmacun emits an enticing aroma and looks similar to the large stuffed pies you find at breakfast shops. It is a common fast food option for Turks and can be consumed directly or served with side dishes such as salad or yogurt. Lahmacun is popular in Turkey for its simple yet delicious taste. It is not only a fast food or street food but also a traditional family dish. When you travel to Turkey, be sure to try this delicious Turkish flatbread. Hatay Dürüm is a Turkish-style wrap that is beloved for its rich flavors and unique ingredients. In addition to traditional toppings such as onions, lettuce, and tomato sauce, Hatay Dürüm also includes some French fries, which give it a distinct texture and added flavor. The crispy fries and the tangy tomato sauce add an extra layer of complexity to the wrap. With each bite, you can experience a fusion of various flavors, combining the freshness and aroma of the vegetables with the crispiness of the fries and the sweet and tangy tomato sauce. This combination truly provides a satisfying and enjoyable experience. Hatay Dürüm is a shining gem in Turkish cuisine, particularly known for its unique flavors in the Hatay region. Thank you for sharing, as it has given me a deeper understanding of the taste and characteristics of this dish. If given the opportunity, I would definitely try Hatay Dürüm to experience its deliciousness. Turkish coffee, known as Türk kahvesi, is a drink that you might not have tried if you have only had American coffee, Italian espresso, or French press. During the period when coffee was flourishing and spreading, Turkey was not a major power, and as a result, it had fewer influences from foreign cultures and fewer active developments and improvements. This allowed Turkish coffee to retain its most original appearance and flavor. The process of making Turkish coffee is indeed relatively intricate and requires the use of a special coffee pot called a sez. First, finely ground coffee, water, and sugar, optional, are added to the coffee pot, which is then heated directly on the stove. While boiling, the coffee produces foam and a rich aroma. After boiling, the coffee pot is taken off the heat and left to settle for a while, allowing the coffee temperature to decrease and the coffee grounds to settle at the bottom. Then, the coffee is gently poured into a cup, making sure not to pour the grounds into the cup. Turkish coffee has a rich flavor with a hint of richness and a slightly sweet taste. It is usually enjoyed alongside a small glass of water and some Turkish pastries. In Turkey, drinking Turkish coffee is not only about enjoying the taste of coffee itself but also about experiencing social interactions and cultural traditions. In the coffeehouses located on the ancient streets of Turkey, you can feel the rich historical atmosphere while savoring authentic Turkish coffee, immersing yourself in the leisurely lifestyle of the Turkish people. If you have the opportunity to visit Turkey, having a cup of authentic Turkish coffee is definitely a unique travel experience that allows you to feel the culture of Turkey and the unique charm of Turkish coffee.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.